Chapter 2, Lecture 3, Forest Resources. Equatorial forest. First, these forests are found in the areas that experience 120 centimeters or more rainfall. Arid forest. These forests are found in the area that experience moderate rainfall 60 to 120 centimeters. Thorny forest. These forests are found in the areas that experience less than 60 centimeters of rainfall in northern dry regions. These forests, mangrove forest, tidal forest, these forests are found in the western regions of Kutch and along the muddy shores. Now, in different districts, we found this forest and which trees we found in this forest. In Navsari, Valsad, Dang, Panjmal, Dahod, Narmada, and Junagadh, equatorial forests we found, and teak, sal, bamboo, sisam, sadat, bior, siras, haldarvo, dhavdo, modad, timru, khakra, and kher, etc. trees found in this forest. Arid forest we found in Jamnagar, Vadodara, Dahod, Narmada, Junagadh, Amreli. Teak, bamboo, kher, bawal, simlo, timru, kesudo, neem trees we found in this forest. Thorny forest we found in Kutch, Rajkot, Bhavnagar, Junagadh, Banaskantha. Bawal, Modad, Thor, Bordi, Sadad, Khakra, Rayan, Neem, Umardo, Garmado. These trees are found in this forest. Mangrove forest means tidal forest we found in Jamnagar, Junagadh, Kutch, and chair trees and high grasslands we found trees found in this forest. Now, World Forest Day we celebrate in 2nd March. World Environment Day we celebrate in 5th June. Desert Prevention Day we celebrate on 17th June, and Van Mahotsav July, beginning of rainy season. Now, importance of forest. First, matchboxes are made from the softwood of simlo trees, and the goods and plywood industries have developed for packaging industries. Second point, sal wood is the best wood. It does not get affected by termites for long period of time. That is why sal wood is used in making railway sleepers, railway coaches, building and furniture. Third point, the wood available from forest are used for making doors, windows, boards, hardboard, cardboard, different types of handles of tools, reel of mills, wheels of cars, cartoon, etc. Plates and bowls are made from the khakra leaves, and soap is made from oil extracted from the mahuda fruit. Fifth point, pulp extracted from different trees like bamboo, haldarvo, baheda, kakad, mogal, etc. is used for paper making. Different medicinal herbs like lak, gundar, mud, katho, gugal, kanchi, indrajav, sarpagandha, aswagandha, sankhavli, etc. are found in this forest. Trees enable the clouds to bring down showers. They enhance the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere. Trees prevent desertification and soil erosion. Have you seen animal resources, wildlife? This is in Gujarat, the area under forest is very less, but these forests are full of variety of birds and animals. Wild animals like lion, leopard, deer, wolf, hyena, cheetah, deer, blue bull, pronghorn, antelope, boar, bear, stag, blackbuck, etc. are found. Birds like crane, vulture, eagle, owl, kunj, tetar, butter, peacock, parrot, etc. are found in Gujarat. Lion and wild ass are found only in Gujarat and nowhere else in India. Lion are found only in the forest of Sasangir in all over Asia. These wild animals are the center of attraction for the tourist. Now, sanctuaries, a place where birds and animals live fearlessly, where they are reared and where hunting is strictly prohibited, is called sanctuary. In these sanctuaries, people and animals can move from about freely, but hunting of animals is strictly prohibited. Now, you see, first, Nal Sarovar, situated near the border of Ahmedabad and Surendranagar district, is famous for migratory birds. It is a bird sanctuary. There is a wild ass sanctuary in small run of Kutch, black buck sanctuary in Narayan Sarovar, and Ghorad Bird Sanctuary in Kutch. Third, there is a Jesar Bear Sanctuary in Banaskantha. The Bardi-Pada Sanctuary, where stags are found, is in Dang district. Bear Sanctuary is in Dediapada in the Narmada district. There are Khijadia and Gaga sanctuaries in Jamnagar districts. Ratan Mahal Bear Sanctuary is famous in Dahod district. There is a Panya Sanctuary for lions, leopard, and blackbird in Amreli district. Rampura Sanctuary in Rajkot district is famous for blue bull and black buck. There is also a sanctuary in Hindolgarh, where blue bulls are found. There is a sanctuary in Jambugoda, Panchmahal, where bears, hyenas, and leopards are seen. The sanctuary at Thod in Mehsana district is famous for colorful birds. Lions in India are available only in Sasangir. And next, natural national parks we discuss in lecture 4.